All right, today's video answers the question, can I have more than one life insurance policy? Guys, you can have as many life insurance policies as you can reasonably afford, which for most people is maybe 1 to 5. The most I've ever seen personally with an 80, I think she was 79-year-old woman, she had 4, and she didn't even know about 3 of them. So what we did was we went and consolidated them all into one singular policy, ended up saving her $1 a month. But people get different policies for different reasons. I'll give you an example. So there's a term life policy called a return of premium term life policy. So a term life policy is what the name implies. It's a term. It's for a period of time. Okay. And when this term ends, you get nothing out of the policy typically. But with a return of premium whole life policy, you get all of your premiums that you've paid back. A premium is your monthly payment. Okay, but obviously the thing about a return of premium term life policy is it's still temporary. Some people want a supplementary whole life policy on the side, maybe next to some life insurance they get at their job, just for another insurance policy, literally in their back pocket, okay, for them to have in case anything else were to happen. So people have maybe a term life policy, cheap, high death benefit, whole life policy, a little more expensive, lower death benefit, permanent coverage. So having both is kind of the golden goose for some people. That's why some people will get multiple. Another situation is, let's say somebody's pretty young, 20, 30. They get a pretty cheap term life policy for now. And then when they're older, in their 50s, the term life policy is still active, but they want something a little heavier because now they have a lot more assets due to their elder age. Well, not elder age, but they're a little more experienced and stuff like that. They have a lot more stuff to their name. They just get a separate policy without canceling the old one. So it's on top of that. Or even some people get different policies with different beneficiaries named in each individual policy. You have a lot of different options. But yes, you can have as many life insurance policies as you want, just to make that clear. All right, that's it for this video. If you or anybody you know needs life insurance, go to honorsinsurance.com/contact and fill out the contact form to get contacted by a broker. Again, a brokerage has the added benefit of being able to shop multiple carriers as opposed to just one, like State Farm or Liberty Mutual. We have multiple carriers. We carry multiple companies, okay? So we get the best rates on the market that exists. So check us out.